Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr Fold, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. Alright, so I imagine that this tutorial will be useful for you if you've accidentally changed the language and you have no idea what to do. So I'm trying to be as descriptive in this tutorial as I can. So I hope it will be easier to navigate for you into the proper section. So the first thing you need to do is to localize the settings. So just find this gear icon. You can find it in your app drawer, for example, like here, or on the on other of the home screen pages. I'm not sure where you've got your settings stored, but just find it and then tap on it. Make sure that you are in this general list of the settings. And what I personally prefer to do, because I think it is easier to describe, is to scroll all the way down. So just do it quite fastly, just go to the very bottom of the list. So here we've got the sections. So what we need to do is to count the sections. So the first section, the second section, and the third section. And the third section is the one that we are interested in. So here, all you need to do is to localize the system settings. So just localize this gear icon again and tap on it. Now, in the system settings, we need to tap on this first option, so language and region, and then tap on the first option again, so system languages. So here we've got the list of all available applied languages. So if in your case you've got your language right here, so for example, like in my case, Spanish here, all you need to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position and release your finger. Now you need to tap on this option on the right, which means change, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you do not have the language right here, no worries, just tap on this plus icon, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you need to do is to tap on the language you'd like to apply. I'll pick Greek, choose the region, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list, but the Spanish is still a main one in my case. So again, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Tap on this option on the right, and we've got Greek applied. Let me change it to English quickly. And this is how it works. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages that you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon here and tap on remove. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.